Seems like you've been busy.
I'm working on a new brand identity project, and in this video, I want to walk you through my process from start to finish. This project is for Pause Medicine, a woman-led healthcare practice focused on midlife and menopause care. It was built by a woman who had already walked through her own transformation. Dr. Anita is a cancer survivor. So when we started talking about her brand, it wasn't about trends, it wasn't about aesthetics, it was about meaning. Before working together, she had a logo created. It was a lotus, and the lotus is beautiful, but it's also one of the most commonly used symbols in the wellness branding industry. And that was the problem. In healthcare, many brands start to look the same. She was building a practice for women navigating one of the most misunderstood transitions of their lives. The existing logo didn't feel personal. She was done with the expected. Her favorite color is actually orange, bold, unapologetic. She wanted to make a statement that changed everything.
More than okay. Think I need help to feel as happy as you. Could you tell me what I'm supposed to do without you? It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I'll stop at your window. I should've known.
When I start a brand identity project, I don't start with the logo. I start with alignment. What does this brand stand for? What season of life is it serving? For Pause Medicine, I wasn't just thinking about menopause. I was thinking about phases, transformation, rebirth. And when you frame it that way, the direction becomes clearer. I explored multiple visual concepts. Each one had intention, but the moment the phoenix appeared on screen, we both knew. It wasn't about fire, it was about rising, building a practice for women entering a new life phase. It felt aligned, and alignment is everything in healthcare branding. Because when someone is seeking care, they're not just looking for a logo, they're looking for trust. Once the symbol was right, everything else started to fall into place. The typography needed to feel grounded, confident, not overly designed. No decorative softness. White space was important because women in midlife don't need fluff. They need clarity. The color orange became the anchor. It brought warmth without weakening its presence. The phoenix gave the identity power. The system gave it stability. A strong symbol isn't enough, especially in healthcare. We built a full identity system around the phoenix. Primary mark, typography, logo usage rules, spacing principles. Consistency builds credibility, and credibility builds trust.
I'm just trying to smile when all I can think of is you. Yeah, I'm just faking my way through the days to avoid that feeling I get when I'm lonely and I'm missing you. Wish you could tell me what I should do now.
It's like I'm just seeing empty faces staring from across the room, when all I want is to get out of here and back to you. On my way home, I'll stop at your window. I should've known how much it hurts when you still love somebody. When you still love somebody. When you still love somebody. When you still love somebody.
Translating the brand into the website was about balance. The Phoenix gave the identity its power. The website needed to give it structure. It had to feel calm, clear navigation, thoughtful hierarchy. I kept thinking about a woman landing on the site late at night, researching quietly, maybe frustrated, maybe dismissed before, maybe just wanting answers. The design had to hold her without overwhelming her. That's the responsibility of healthcare design. It's not just visual, it's emotional architecture. Working on this project during my own season of change made me approach it differently. I wasn't just choosing colors and type, I was thinking about how it would feel to be seen. And that's something design can do when it's done intentionally. Some projects change your portfolio, others change you. If you're building a healthcare practice and you're ready for a brand that reflects who you truly are, that's the work I care about. Thanks for watching.